Hello and welcome to Maths by SAS. This is my second lesson of D3, chapter number 3, exercise 3B, that is about solving simultaneous linear inequalities. If you find any difficulty in understanding that how to solve the linear inequalities, you can watch the previous lesson, for which I'll give the link in the description box, because for the better understanding of mathematics lessons, it's really important to integrate the previous lesson with the new lesson, and we should have the good grasp on the previous lesson. Let's move to the question 13. Question says that solve the following pairs of inequalities, and the second part of the question is 1 minus b is less than b minus 1 is less than 11 minus 2b. In order to solve this inequality, first of all, I have to break up the inequality in two parts, that 1 minus b is less than b minus 1 and b minus 1 is less than 11 minus 2b. So the expression will take the form 1 minus b is less than b minus 1 and b minus 1 is less than 11 minus 2b. Now we can see the letter that we want to make the subject of formula is on both sides, so we have to shift it on the same side, preferably on the left hand side. So minus b is less than minus 1 or minus 2b is less than minus 2. Now I need to find the value of b. So minus 2 is multiplied with that b. So I have to shift that minus 2 to other side. And do not forget, whenever we are multiplying any linear inequality by minus sign, we have to reverse the direction of inequality. So b will be greater than minus 2 by minus 2, or b is greater than 1. Coming to the second part, that b, again shift to b to other side, because we need to find the value of this letter. So make it on the same side. B plus 2b is less than 11 plus 1 and 3b is less than 12, or b is less than 12 divided by 3, b is less than 4. Now I have to write the interval that can satisfy this both condition, b greater than 1 and b less than 4. So b greater than 1 but less than 4, this will be the interval, this will be the range values of b which will satisfy these both inequalities. Let's move to the next part of the question, that says 3 minus c is less than 2c minus 1 is less than 5 plus c. Again break the inequality in two parts, that 3 minus c is less than 2c minus 1 and 2c minus 1 is less than 5 plus c. So now again the letter that we want to make the subject of formula is on both sides. Shift it on the same side, preferably on the left side. Minus c minus 2c is less than minus 1 minus 3. Minus 3c is less than minus 4. And now I have to shift this minus 3 to other side. So what I have to do, I have to reverse the direction of inequality, that c is greater than 4 by 3, or c is greater than 1 whole 1 by 3. Coming to the second part, that 2c minus c is less than 5 plus 1 and 2c minus c, that is c is less than 6 and c is less than 6. Now I have to write the interval, that c is greater than 1 whole 1 by 3 but less than 6. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the next question. And the next question is 3d minus 5 is less than d plus 1 is less than 2d plus 1. 3d minus 5 is less than d plus 1 is less than equal to 2d plus 1. First of all, break up the inequality in two parts and the expression will take the form 3d minus 5 is less than d plus 1 and d plus 1 is less than equal to 2d plus 1. Now shift the like terms on same side. 3d minus d is less than 1 plus 5. 2d is less than 6. Shift 2 to other side. D is less than 6 upon 2 or d is less than 3. And now solve the other part of the inequality, that d minus 2d is less than equal to 1 minus 1 and minus 2 d minus 2d will give me minus d. Minus d is less than equal to 0. In order to make the variable positive, I have to multiply both sides with the negative sign, and whenever I will be multiplying the negative sign in inequalities, I have to reverse the direction of inequalities. So d is greater than equal to 0. So first of all, I have to write the range values, that d is greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. I hope these are the values of d which will satisfy these two inequalities. Let's move to the next question. Question 14 says, the first part is, the question says solve the following inequalities. A by 4 plus 3 is less than equal to 4 and which is less than equal to a by 2 plus 6. First of all, divide the inequality in two parts, that a by 4 plus 3 is less than equal to 4 and 4 is less than equal to a by 2 plus 6, and the expression will take the form a by 4 plus 3 is less than equal to 4 and 4 is less than equal to a by 2 plus 6. Now this 3 is constant, shift it to other side. A by 4 is less than equal to 4 minus 3. A by 4 is less than 1, less than and equal to, shift 4 to other side. So a is less than equal to 4 and now shift 6 to other side. 4 minus 6 is less than equal to a by 2 and minus 2 is less than equal to a by 2. Shift 2 to other side and 2 multiplied by 2 is minus 4 is less than equal to a. So the range values of a will be that a is greater than equal to minus 4 but less than equal to 4. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to the second part of the question, that says that b by 3 is greater than equal to b by 2 plus 1 and b by 2 plus 1 is greater than equal to b minus 1. Again, first of all, we have to divide the given inequality in two parts, that b by 3 is greater than equal to b by 2 plus 1 and b by 2 plus 1 is greater than equal to b minus 1. So divide the inequality in two parts. B by 3 is greater than equal to b by 2 plus 1 and b by 2 plus 1 is greater than equal to b minus 1. Shift like terms on the same side, that b by 3 minus b by 2, because we need to find the value of b. B by 3 minus b by 2 is greater than equal to 1. Take the LCM. 6 will be the LCM. 2 times 6. 2b minus 3b is greater than equal to 1, or minus b by 6 is greater than equal to 1. Now I have to shift this minus 1 or 6 to other side. So b will be less than equal to minus 6. Okay, now coming to the second part, that is b by 2 minus b is greater than equal to minus 1, and when I'm shifting this one to other side, minus 1. Now again I have to take the LCM over here, and that will give me 2 into b minus 2b is greater than equal to minus 2, and minus b by 2 is greater than equal to minus 2. Again I have to shift this minus b by 2 to other side. I have to make the inequality positive, so it will take the form b is minus sign will be going with minus sign, and I have to reverse the direction of inequality as well. B is less than equal to 4. So I'm getting both the answers. One is b is less than equal to minus 6, and b is less than equal to positive 4. So we can see that among these two answers, which one will be the acceptable answer. B is less than, if I'm drawing the rough solution over here, if this is 4, b is less than equal to 4, solution will be going from this point, and if I'm starting the solution minus 6, so the part of the number lines which are beginning from minus 6, that is overlapped by both the lines. So the solution for this number line, this situation will be b less than equal to minus 6. I hope you are clear that how we are deciding that which value of b will be acceptable for both the inequalities. Let's move to the C part of the question, and the C part says 2 into 1 minus c is greater than c minus 1 is greater than equal to c minus 2 by 7. First of all, decompose the inequality in two parts. The 2 into 1 minus c is greater than c minus 1, and c minus 1 is greater than equal to c minus 2 by 7. Apply distributive property that 2 minus 2c is greater than c minus 1. Bring like terms on same side. This will give me minus 2c minus c is greater than minus 1 minus 2. This will give me minus 3c is greater than minus 3. Now I need to get value of c, so I have to shift this minus sign to other side, and when I will be shifting this minus sign to other side, I have to reverse the direction of inequality. So c is less than minus 3 by minus 3, or c is less than 1. Coming to the second part, other part of the inequality, that is c minus 1 is greater than equal to c minus 2 by 7. First shift 7 to other side. This will give me 7 into c minus 1 is greater than c minus 2. Apply distributive property that 7 has to be multiplied with every term inside the bracket. It will take the form 7c minus 7 is greater than equal to c minus 2. Shift c to same side. It will take the form 7c minus c is greater than equal to 7 minus 2, and 7c minus c is 6c is greater than equal to 7 minus 2 is 5, and c is greater than equal to 5 by 6. Now the range values of C will be C greater than equal to 5/6 but less than 1. I hope you are clear about this question. Let's move to D part of the question, and that says that D minus 5 is less than 2D upon 5 is less than equal to D by 2 plus 1 by 5. First of all, decompose the inequality, that divide it in two parts, that D minus 5 is less than 2D by 5 and 2D by 5 is less than equal to D by 2 plus 1 by 5. Now shift like terms on same side and preferably on the left hand side. Minus 2D by 5 is less than 5. Now take the LCM. 5 will be the LCM. 5D minus 2D is less than 5. 3D by 5 is less than 5, and shift 5 to other side. This will give me 3D is less than 25, or D is less than 25 by 3, or that can give me D is less than 8 whole 1 by 3. 8 is a 24 plus 1 25. And let me solve the other part of the inequality as well. 2D upon 5 minus D by 2 is less than 1 equal to 1 by 5. Take the LCM. 10 will be the LCM. 5 2s are 10. 4D minus 2 5s are 10. 5D is less than equal to 1 by 5, and 4 minus 5 is minus D by 10 is less than equal to 1 by 5. Shift 10 to other side. Minus D is less than equal to 10 upon 5, and that will give me minus D is less than equal to 2. And now I need to make the variable positive. So whenever I will be multiplying the inequality by minus sign, I have to reverse the direction. So D greater than equal to minus 2. So the range values will be that D is greater than equal to minus 2 but less than 8 whole 1 by 3. I hope you are clear about this question. For next difficulty level, please catch me in the next class. Watch my lessons, like, share and subscribe the channel, and press bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time. Thank you very much.